morning everyone. I hope you all are fine at home and enjoying your learning at home. Now class, it's time that we are going to begin with our today's fun sheet class. And in fun sheet, till now we have been doing or we have been learning about something related to summers, like fruit we eat in summer, isn't it? Then what are the other things we do in summer? Different fruits like watermelon we eat. Then we have also learned about cold drinks, mango and other things, ice cream, yes. So a quick revision of all that things we eat in summer with few activities that we enjoy doing in summer. Now if you will look at the board carefully, we have ice creams. We all enjoy eating ice creams. Then again we have a watermelon. Yes, we enjoy eating watermelon in summers. Then mango, the king of fruits, comes in summer and we make so many things out of it. We make ice creams, puddings, then juices, then shakes, isn't it? We eat mango as a fruit. So many things we make out of mango also. Then comes cold drinks. Yes, we like taking cold drinks also. We like juices, lemonade. We have learned how to make a lemonade, isn't it? So these are few things that we enjoy eating or drinking in summer. But apart of this, can you tell me some activities that we enjoy in summer? Yes, one such important activity is swimming. So when it is when the weather is fine outside, when it's not sunny, I'm talking of morning time and evening time, we prefer going for swimming also, isn't it? कभी pool side पे जाते हैं, वहाँ पे water में मन करता है, we go and we enjoy being in the pool. जो हमारा स्विमिंग पूल होता है, हम उसमें जाना एंजॉय करते हैं. या फिर अगर थोड़ा सा प्लेजेंट वेदर है, वी गो आउट विद आवर फैमिली ऑन पिकनिक्स, isn't it? But the most important thing is we enjoy doing swimming in summer. Now can anyone tell me, अभी जो weather है, अभी जो summer season चल रहा है, how many of you enjoy sitting in the sun? Nobody, I know that. But we enjoy sitting in the sun in winters, जब ठंड होती है. When we wear woolen clothes, we enjoy sitting in sun also, but not in summers, isn't it? या फिर जब थोड़ा rainy season आता है, क्योंकि वो summer के बाद होता है, we enjoy being in rainy also. हमें मजा आता है, we go out when the rain is coming and we enjoy the rain, isn't it? So something similar work we are going to do in the book, where few things are given, some activities that we enjoy doing in summer. Some are the activities which we actually don't enjoy doing in summers. So we have to identify the pictures given in the book and then we are going to color them according to what is asked to us. Clear? जो भी हमें वहाँ करने के लिए बोला है, actually whatever pictures are given, out of those we are only going to color those things which we enjoy doing in summer. So we have already learned to color ice cream, juices, fruits like watermelon, mango, isn't it? Now today we are going to do work on book page number 15. So when you will open your book on page number 15, you will find some activities, some pictures, not activities, actually they are the pictures of different activities. We are going to identify them and color them. So please open your books and keep your colors ready. Okay? So class, now when you will open your book on page number 15, you will find the topic summer season. Can you see page number 15? And the topic is summer season, isn't it? So first thing we are going to do is write today's date. So today is 13th May 2021. So like this you will mention the date, and after that you will write classwork. Is that clear to everyone? Now what here the work we have to do? Color the pictures related to summer season. अब हमें क्या करना है? One by one we'll identify the pictures given. Can you see lot many pictures are given here? One by one we'll identify them and we are going to color those pictures which are related to summer season. Now how related to summer season? कि इनमें से क्या चीज़ हम summers में enjoy करते हैं. As I told you, the very first thing, what this boy is doing here? Can you tell me what this boy is doing? Yes, he is enjoying swimming in the pool. Can you see he's so happy and he is enjoying swimming there. So let's color it. Yes, we all enjoy doing swimming. So first of all, take the skin color and start doing the skinny part of this boy. इस boy का जो skinny part है, जो skin है, we are going to color that first. Like this. And now we are going to color the water. So can anyone tell me what's the color of water? Yes, the water is blue in color. So take your sky blue color and we are going to color water like this. So this boy is enjoying swimming. You all enjoy ना? Being in water कितना मज़ा आता है ठंडे ठंडे पानी में, isn't it? Yes, we all enjoy. So now I'll take a different shade. Okay, like this you are going to color your swimming activity. You are going to color this activity where this boy is enjoying swimming. Understood? Like this. Now next activity is a boy who is enjoying a fruit. So what fruit is that? Yes, it's watermelon. So this boy is eating watermelon, isn't it? So now let us first color the watermelon here. So this is the green cover, the outer covering, and the pulpy part of the fruit, isn't it? See, the boy is keeping all the pips at one place, isn't it? So now a little brown color for the hair. So hair can be black also, they can be brown also. Then for the skin part again, we are going to take the skin color. So because this boy is enjoying his watermelon, yes. Now for table, this is the table. For table, we are going to take a different color. Just color this table also. So whenever you are doing coloring, see again I am saying don't don't let your colors go outside the boundaries, okay? Don't let them go outside the boundaries. Slowly करिए and do them with soft hand. बहुत ज़्यादा दबाएंगे, if you will press it, it will break. ठीक है? So don't press your colors too much. वो टूट जाएंगे फिर. Wow, see how colorful the picture is here now? Okay, now in the next picture, the boy is enjoying a bonfire. So how many of you enjoy bonfire in summers? Do we do that? No, we don't. We enjoy bonfire in winters, not in summers. Okay. So now here we have, wow, we have a bottle of juice and a glass of lemonade. So we all enjoy it, isn't it? Yes. So we are going to color it now. Yes, we all enjoy juice and lemonades in summers to keep us cool. So this is lemonade. Let's color it. Okay, you can make it your orange juice also. You can make it your lemon juice. Anything you want, whatever you enjoy. Now these are your eyes. Like this. Now next picture we have is of a cob. Corn cob. Bhutta. So you enjoy eating corn cob in summer? No. Actually, we enjoy eating this corn cob in rainy season. जब बारिश का मौसम होता है तब हमें भुट्टे अच्छे लगते हैं. समर्स में हम नहीं खाते भुट्टे. ओके. Now the next one. Wow, ice cream. Yes. Favorite of everyone. So we all enjoy eating ice creams, isn't it? So my favorite is strawberry and chocolate. So one I have done strawberry pink color, and here I am going to do this chocolate color, brown color for chocolate flavor ice cream. And yes, this is for the cone. I am going to use Waffies color. Okay, so this is a ice cream parlor, a shop from where we get ice cream. So you can make it as colorful as you want. So like this you are going to color your ice cream parlor also. Again, आपकी कलर्स जो आप कर रहे हो ज़्यादा प्रेस नहीं करने हैं. जितना लाइट कलर करेंगे उतना अच्छा लगेगा. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेस करोगे आपके कलर्स भी टूट जाएंगे और बुक भी डर्टी होगी. सो डू लाइट कलर्स. ओके, लाइक दिस. So now this is our ice cream parlor, and yes, here also like this. Now the man, the ice cream seller. So first we are going to do the skin color in the face and hands. Like this. And when you enjoy doing your colors ना, आपके colors भी बहुत pretty लगेंगे फिर. Just enjoy coloring your work, doing your work. आप बहुत enjoy करके करोगे तो और भी beautiful colors होंगे. Clear? So now comes the cap. So for cap we are going to take this color. Now for the shirt, okay, let's take blue. See, so many colors in one picture only, isn't it? That's so nice and so beautiful. So for girl we are going to take okay, this color. And for the boy, another color. Like this you have to do it as colorful as you can. Done. So now we have done the coloring in ice cream parlor. We all enjoy that. Now next is mangoes. So do we eat mangoes in summer season? Yes. So let's color all the mangoes here. So like this you are going to color the mangoes, because it's king of fruit that comes in summer season and we enjoy eating these mangoes a lot. Do you all enjoy that? I do. मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. And I eat lot of mangoes, you see. I make mango shake, mango ice cream, everything out of these mangoes. Okay, like this you are going to color your mangoes. And the last picture is that of a heater. So how many of us enjoy this heater, or you can say heat blower, जिसमें से गर्म हवा आती है? Nobody. Yes, nobody. So class, we have seen that in summers we enjoy doing swimming, eating watermelon, drinking juices, lemonades, cold drinks. Yes, enjoy eating ice creams as well as mangoes. But what we don't do in summers? Sitting near a bonfire, eating cobs, and we don't even enjoy sitting near your heat blowers in summer season. Okay? So this is how you are going to do your today's work. I hope it's clear to everyone now. So class, I hope you have understood what you have to do today and must have enjoyed also doing this coloring. So now it's time, those who have not completed the work, kindly complete it, and please don't forget to share your work with me and see how beautifully and colorful you are doing your work. Okay, bye for now. Take care, enjoy your work, and be safe at home. Bye-bye.